Service in Fort Amway has issued a tornado warning for eastern Atoneigh County and northeastern Nanserl until 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 2 miles southeast of Finch and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will affect mainly rural areas of Atoneigh County, including Highway 187A. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Fort Amway.